Welcome to our TR7 Application Security Platform Frequently Asked Questions video series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure content switching on TR7 ASP. With the content switching feature, TR7 ASP analyzes incoming requests based on various parameters such as host header information, source IP address, and path, enabling traffic to be directed to different back-end services. There's no need to create multiple vServices on TR7. Content switching configurations can be defined and managed within a single vService. To begin, open the Edit screen for the relevant vService. Click the Conditional Backend Services button to set up content switching. For the first conditional backend services, add a condition for the path login.php and select the first backend service. For the second conditional backend services, add conditions for the path /admin and the host header information test1.tr7.com. Then select the second backend service. The conditional backend services will operate sequentially, and their order can be adjusted as needed. Finally, in the Default Backend Services section, select the backend service to which the incoming request will be directed if it does not match any of the specified conditional backend services. If no default backend service is selected and the request does not match any conditions, a 503 status code will be returned. Click the Save button to apply the changes. For the first conditional backend services, when a request is made to the path /login.php through a browser, the logs will show that the requests are directed only to the first backend service. For the second conditional backend services, a request is made using Postman with the path /admin and host header information test1.tr7.com. The logs will show that the requests are directed to the second backend service. If the host header information is changed, the request does not match the conditions and is directed to the default backend service, which will return a 503 status code if no default service is selected. Thank you for watching, and see you in other videos.